Hi, I'm Rinus from Speakerfood, and in this video you will learn how to set up and use Art Conductor Remote, so you can switch articulations using MetaGrid Pro. First, make sure that you have the latest version of the following installed: Art Conductor by Babylon Waves, MetaGrid Pro and MetaServer by Metasystems, and of course PlugTools. Make sure that MetaServer and PlugTools are running. You should see their icons in the Finder status bar. If not, launch them from the Apps folder on your system. In MetaGrid Pro, create a new grid and call it, for instance, Art Conductor. Edit the grid, click Layout, select all cells, and click Clear. Select all empty cells again, and now click Merge, which will create one big cell. Select the cell, click Add, and choose the Art Conductor object. Finally, click Done, and you are now ready creating a grid with the Art Conductor object. Next, open the PlugTools Preferences and open the Art Conductor tab. Make sure that the Art Conductor folder is set correctly, and enable Connect to MetaGrid Pro. Now, open the Articulation Sets window to check if PlugTools has scanned all Art Conductor articulation settings correctly. They should be listed in the main view with the Babylon Waves logo. And when you select an articulation setting, individual articulations are listed in the detail view. If they are not listed, click the Rescan button, so PlugTools will rescan the articulation settings folder. Note that you can decide to show or hide individual articulations in MetaGrid Pro with the Use button. When you have confirmed that the Art Conductor settings have been correctly scanned by PlugTools, you can launch Logic Pro and open the global MIDI settings. In this window, make sure that MIDI Remote is set to On and Global. Set the MIDI channel to All and Global. Open the Inputs tab and ensure that PlugTools is enabled. To test if everything works as expected, download the Test Art Conductor Remote Logic Pro project. You can find it on the Downloads page of the Speakerfood website. If Logic Pro warns you that you need to install additional content, you can choose to cancel it. You will notice that this project contains 3 instrument tracks, each with a different articulation setting. Make sure that the track panel in the inspector is visible, as PlugTools monitors the value of the articulation set pop-up button in that panel. When you now select a track, the Art Conductor object in MetaGrid Pro will update its contents, reflecting the articulations of each instrument. When you record any of these instruments, you can use the buttons in MetaGrid Pro to switch articulations and have these recorded with each note event. You can check this by opening the piano roll and select each note. The articulation pop-up button will show the recorded articulation for that note. If you want to edit note articulations, just select the notes you want to adjust and press the desired articulation in MetaGrid Pro. PlugTools will now set the notes to the articulation you selected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other tutorials to get the most out of PlugTools.